The three mainstays of treatment for tuberculosis were the rest cure, the climate cure, and a healthy diet. So you have heard more details about that. Apart from these mainstays, there were also some complementary therapies, if we can call them that, and also more invasive. For example, I want to mention an artificial pneumothorax, which meant the lung, the affected lung, was collapsed artificially by introducing a needle into the thorax and inserting air into the pleural cavity, which kept the lung collapsed. And it had been learned beforehand that patients with a spontaneous pneumothorax, where the lung collapsed on its own, likely from the disease, actually did better, and the lung had a tendency to heal itself. So this was employed as one treatment method for more advanced cases of tuberculosis, pulmonary tuberculosis. And the lung might have remained collapsed for up to a year or even longer as needed. You have also heard about the importance of heliotherapy, therapy making use of the sunshine, which was very prevalent in Colorado Springs. People were often basking in the sun, scantily clad. And they also tried to direct beams of sunlight to areas of the bodies that were infected with tuberculosis. One of the more common organs affected was the larynx. People often suffered from laryngeal tuberculosis. And in order to treat the larynx, one of the TB sufferers, Frank Verba, who also happened to be an engineer, redesigned a laryngoscope, which you can see on the top shelf here. It helped focus the sunbeams into people's throat. And they often sat outside in the sunshine with their mouths open, so the sunlight was directed directly into the larynx. So as you can imagine, that was not very comfortable. And we know that they were aware of the potential damage of sunlight to the retina, so people did wear sunglasses, fortunately. At the next stop, you will learn about the different TB sanatoria in Colorado Springs.